Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So friends, in this video we're going to know what will be the price for making the MS gate designs and what are the advantages of MS gates. So friends, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to our channel. MS gates are a popular choice for home entrance due to their versatility, durability and affordability. Like MS is a strong and resilient, making it capable of withstanding external force and weather condition such as heat, wind, rain without the significant damage. MS steel gates are more cost effective than gates made of other materials, so making them an economical choice for the homeowners. So friends, we will now going to discuss that how much it will cost to make this type of gate for your home. First we will talk about the materials price. So the MS steel price is 80 to 85 rupees per kg. So another price we have to add in this is the labor rate to make the gate designs. We will charge around 30 rupees to 40 rupees per kg. So now let me take some example. If your gate weight is almost 150 kg, then we will multiply the materials price, which is 85 rupees per kg. So if we will multiply this both, it will come 12,750 rupees. This is the only materials price. Now we will calculate the labor rate. So for the labor rate, we will assume that 35 rupees per kg. So our gate weight is 150 and we will multiply with the 35. So the labor total charges will come is 5,250 rupees. So if you add these both numbers, materials plus labor rate, it will cost you 18,000 rupees of making the weight of 150 kg gate of MS steel. The cost of making the gate designs varies depending on the factors like design complexity, size, thickness and other features like coating or automations. So if you'll go with the best designs, it will also cost 140 rupees per kg. So it totally depends upon the choice of your designs and the location from where you purchase. MS steel gates are a popular choice for home entrance because it can be easily shaped and welded, allowing for a wide range of designs options from simple to intricate patterns. So this makes it ideal for both modern and traditional aesthetics. It also requires minimal maintenance when treated with anti-corrosion coatings or paints. So periodically cleaning and repainting can keep them looking new for years. It is also the corrosion resistance. With proper treatment like galvanization or a powder coating, MS gates can resist rust and corrosion, so extending their lifespan. It is highly securely. The strength of MS provides excellent security, making it harder to breach compared to gates made of weaker materials. You can get in lots of designs. Like MS gates can be designs for various types of openings such as sliding, swinging or folding, depending on the space availability and your owner preference. It is eco-friendly. MS steel is a recyclable, which means that old gates can be repurposed or recycled, reducing waste and environmental impact. MS gates can easily integrate with the automation system for added convenience and modern functionality, such as remote control opening and even closing. By combining strength, aesthetics and practicality, MS steel gates offers a reliable and stylish option for enhancing the security and appeal of a home. So you should require some important points to consider before designing and installing a gate for your home entrance, because it requires careful consideration of several factors to ensure functionality, security. So first, purpose of the gate, second, the privacy, another point is the material. So type of gate, like swing gate, sliding, folding, it depends upon the available space in your house. Size and proportion, so measure the entrance width and the height to determine the appropriate size. Ensure the gate height is adequate for security while maintaining the aesthetics. And another point is the locks, securing lock mechanism like dead bolts or electronic locks. Choose gates with the remote control or keypad access for a added security. Check. Set a budget that includes the cost of materials, installation and automation and long-term maintenance. Decide on a design that complements your home exterior. So friends, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe.